Meet the XD-130Li, XPOWER's XL category, LGR dehumidifier. The restoration contractor's choice in moisture and humidity control. Class-leading 125 pints per day at AHAM and 220 pints per day at full saturation, covering up to 3,000 square feet. Manage your humidity levels from anywhere with our intuitive XPOWER Connect app. Effortless control has never been this smart. Instant readings at a glance. Our LCD display keeps you informed, making operation a breeze. R32, a green choice for the environment, enhances efficiency and safety. With a built-in pump and capable of pumping up to 16 feet high, the XD-130Li is your go-to for your job site. Experience 40% greater heat transfer efficiency with our advanced microchannel technology built to last. The XD-130Li LGR dehumidifier is made with the water damage restoration industry in mind and achieving maximum moisture removal in the toughest environments.
Thoughtful features like a built-in storage compartment and ductable air outlet make the XD-130Li your go-to dehu for the pros.
Equipped with folding handles and wheels, the XD-130Li goes where you need it, without the hassle. Whether it's water damage restoration or maintaining large spaces, the XD-130Li is your versatile solution. Come dry with us at XPOWER.